Palantir Technologies, S&P 500 inclusion, earnings results, future growth, and share buybacks. Hey there! Welcome back to another exciting video on a company that's been making waves in the tech world, Palantir Technologies. In today's video, we're diving deep into some juicy topics that have been buzzing around recently. We're talking about Palantir's big splash into the S&P 500, their impressive earnings results, their future growth prospects, and let's not forget, their strategic move with those share buybacks. Now, if you've been keeping an eye on the financial news, you probably caught wind of the headlines like Palantir raises revenue target on AI boost, announces share buyback, and Palantir boosts guidance, sets $1 billion stock buyback plan. But fear not, because in this video, we're going to break it all down in a way that's as casual as chatting with your best friend. We'll unravel the significance of Palantir's inclusion in the S&P 500 index, what it means for the company's visibility and potential impact on its stock price. And let's not forget those earnings results that left analysts and investors with raised eyebrows. We'll dig into the numbers, dissect the AI-driven boost that's been propelling Palantir forward, and explore how this unique tech company is positioning itself for future growth. But wait, there's more. The term share buyback has been echoing through the financial corridors lately, and Palantir isn't one to be left out of the action. We'll dive into the nitty-gritty of what a share buyback actually is, why companies do it, and how Palantir's $1 billion stock buyback plan fits into their overall strategy. Let's get started. Palantir raises revenue target on AI boost, announces share buyback. Picture this, Palantir Technologies, the enigmatic tech star, has set its sights on new heights. They have taken a step forward by tweaking their annual revenue forecast, all thanks to the resounding success of their AI endeavors. And that's not all. They've also made a splash in the financial realm by unveiling a grand plan to buy back shares worth a staggering $1 billion. CEO Alexander Karp, the driving force behind Palantir's magic, spilled the beans in their AI platform's achievements. Launched just this April, the platform has already woven its influence across over 100 organizations. These organizations span various industries, including the healthcare and automotive sectors. Hold on to your hats because there's more. Palantir's been in talks with over 300 additional companies, hinting at the untapped potential of the AI wizardry. This platform isn't your run-off-the-mill tech concoction. It's equipped with an AI assistant that empowers enterprises to make insightful decisions about their operations. The results? Palantir's shares have skyrocketed, nearly tripling in value this year alone. They're riding the wave alongside other AI-driven stocks like the rising star C3 AI. But hey, not every stock tale is all highs and no lows. Palantir's shares took a brief dip of about 10% when the company revealed its full-year revenue projection, clocking in above a whopping $2.21 billion. Although this figure lined up nicely with Refinitiv estimates, some analysts found it a tad underwhelming given the sky-high expectations from retail investors. Rishi Jaluria, an analyst from RBC Capital Markets, put it plainly, these numbers fell a touch short of what was hoped for. But don't close the curtain just yet. Palantir had an ace up its sleeve, the share buyback plan, with a value of up to $1 billion. It's a significant move, especially for a company of Palantir's stature. Gil Luria, an analyst from D.A. Davidson & Co., emphasized the weight of this move in the grand scheme of things. In the financial labyrinth, Palantir's second quarter revenue painted a vibrant picture. It sprouted by 13%, blossoming to $533.3 million, a notch above the $532.7 million estimation. But here's where the plot thickens. While government and commercial revenue growth did slow to 15% and 10% respectively, Palantir's adjusted profit per share remained on point with expectations. So there you have it, Palantir's AI journey, the revenue race, share buyback extravaganza, and the twists and turns along the way. Who knew the world of tech finance could be this exhilarating? Palantir boosts guidance, sets $1 billion stock buyback plan. Now, let's go to Palantir's grand unveil of their $1 billion stock repurchase plan. The crowd's excitement is palpable as they roll out their first ever buyback scheme since gracing the stock market in 2020. But that's not all. They're supercharging their financial projections, sending ripples of anticipation through the financial world. In the twilight hours of trading on a Monday, Palantir shares found themselves 5% lower, settling at $17.09. Now, let's fast forward to the financial arena, where the results of the second quarter were revealed. Palantir, the magician, conjured up a revenue of $533 million, a remarkable 13% leap compared to the year before. And the surprise? These numbers surpassed their earlier prediction range of $528 million to $532 million, snugly fitting into the street's consensus as measured by FactSet. Let's dive deeper into the financial maze. Adjusted basis earnings for the June quarter settled at a cool 5 cents per share, aligning perfectly with estimates. And hold on to your seats because the adjusted income from operations danced its ways to $135 million, breezing past the forecast range of $118 million to $122 million. Palantir's commercial revenue story adds another layer of intrigue. It clocked in at $232 million, celebrating a 10% growth spurt. But the US commercial business took the lead with a 20% surge to reach $103 million. Government revenue joined the dance too, tangoing with a 15% increase to $302 million. Zooming into the future, Palantir projected its revenue for the September quarter to land between $553 million and $557 million. And hold on to your tech hats because adjusted income from operations is primed to stand between $135 million and $139 million. And the cherry on top? Palantir's determined to remain profitable on a GAAP basis for the entire year. Full-year financial forecasts paint an even brighter picture, with projected revenue exceeding $2.212 billion. Palantir's charting a course beyond their previous guidance range of $2.185 billion to $2.235 billion. Now, they're forecasting adjusted income from operations of over $576 million, a leap from their previous forecast range of $506 million to $556 million. It's a dynamic duo on the horizon, with CEO Alex Karp and CFO David Glazer revealing their vision to the world. With 4 consecutive quarters of GAAP profitability under their belts, Palantir's gearing up for potential inclusion in the S&P 500 stock index, a milestone they've been eyeing. And when it comes to the $1 billion stock buyback plan, Palantir's been generating a healthy stream of adjusted free cash flow, showcasing their prowess in the financial arena. So there you have it, Palantir's AI dreams, their financial maneuvers, and their visionary outlook on the tech landscape. With shares soaring by 175% this year, Palantir's narrative is one that keeps evolving. Keep those eyes peeled because where tech innovation and financial ambition collide, Palantir's got a story that's far from over. And that's it. We hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for joining us on this video, and we hope to see you in the next one.